Now, once you begin collecting data on a regular basis for your websites, you may discover that there is a specific way of looking at your business that will give you the maximum amount of information. And when that's the case, you may want to create a custom report. And to do that, you are going to go to the customization button, and then you're going to click Custom Reports. When you get to the menu, you're going to click New Custom Report, and then you're going to give that custom report a title. Now, Google Analytics will allow you to create a multifaceted report, and you can actually do that by creating different tabs with different sets of information. You can actually write in a different tab, and once you do that, you're going to just click Add Report Tab, and you'll notice then that your report will then be in one tab inside of the creation screen. You can then create another tab. Once you've created that, you'll then click Add Report Tab. So now what you'll need to do is you'll need to customize each one of the reports to give you the information that you actually want. Now you can create your report so that it's going to be one set of data in a report. You can have multiple sets of data in a report in a flat table, or you can lay out that data geographically using the map. Now, in this particular case, we're just going to use the Explorer report where we can drill down into the information. And whenever you have a custom report, there are two parameters you're going to need to set. You're going to need to set the quantitative measurement, and that's the metric. And so you can choose a quantitative measurement that you actually want to determine. For example, maybe you want to determine how much time on the page a particular person spends. Then the dimension, you can determine how your metric is categorized. So you'll add a dimension. And as you're determining which dimensions you're going to add, if you want to know how they're actually defined, if you hover over the question mark, it'll actually give you some description on exactly what that dimension is going to be. Optionally, you can add in a filter, and you can do that in any way that you want. For example, if you want to filter out a particular type of social information, you can actually do that. And finally, when we create this report, we can actually create it based on one view, which is one of our website properties, or we can choose to do it for all of our website properties. In this particular case, we're going to do this for all of our website properties, and we're going to click Save. Once you actually save the report, you'll see it on your dashboard, and you can then export the data into another program if you want to do further analysis. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.